Hey man,
You a little sucker for love. Word up. I should have seen you was trouble right from the start. Taught me so many lessons, how not to mess with broken hearts. So many questions. When this began, we was the perfect match. Perhaps we had some problems, but we working at it. And now the arguments are getting loud. I wanna stay, but I can't help from walking out. Let's throw it away. Just take my hand and understand. If you could see, I never planned to be a man. It just wasn't me. But now I'm searching for commitment and other arms. I wanna shelter you from harm. Don't be alarmed. Your attitude, what's the cause? You got me stressing. Soon as I open up the door with your jealous questions, like where can I be? You're killing me with your jealousy. Now my ambitions to be free, I can't breathe. Cause soon as I leave, it's like a trap. I hear you calling me to come back. I'm a sucker for love.
I had to give you up. It's amazing.
Sucker for love.
Got my foot through the door, and I ain't going nowhere.
Sucker for love.
Go hard to get me, and I'm gonna take my time.
Sucker for love.
That bullshit in your ear, now let me blow your mind.
Just when I thought I broke away and I'm feeling happy, you try to trap me, say you're pregnant and guess who's the daddy? Don't wanna fall for it, but in this case, what could I do? So now I'm back to making promises to you, trying to keep it true. What if I'm wrong? A trick to keep me holding on, trying to be strong in the process, keep it going. About to lose my composure, I'm getting close to packing up and leaving notes and getting ghosts. Tell me who knows a peaceful place where I can go to clear my head. I'm feeling low, losing control. My heart is saying leave, or what it takes to make me leave. Breathing fire to the seas, the house gets cheating. That's all I need to hear.
Roket dulu di kampung, di kota Baraya, Kadaria, Katiwidey, kurang tuh ayeuna piknik, tuh inget hutang, tuh inget bayaran kehadiran, aduh anjing.
Got my foot through the door, and I ain't going nowhere.
Sucker for love.
Go hard to get me, and I'm gonna take my time.
Sucker for love.
That bullshit in your ear, now let me blow your mind.
Now we left you with scars, tears on your pillow when you still stay. As you sit and pray, hoping the beatings will go away. It wasn't always a hit and run relationship. It used to be love, happiness, and companionship. Remember when I treated you good? I moved you up to the hills, out the ills of the ghetto hood. Me and you, a happy home when it was on. I had a love to call my own. I should have seen you was trouble, but I was lost. Trapped in your eyes, preoccupied with getting tossed. No need to lie, you had a man and I knew it. You told me, don't worry about it, we can do it now. I'm under pressure, make a decision cause I'm waiting. When I'm alone, I'm on the phone, having secret conversations. I wanna take your misery, replace it with happiness, but I need your faith to back. I'm a sucker for love.
I had to give you up. It's